Hey everybody, how's it going? Today, I bring you one unique, rather exciting car. We're going to do a full in-depth tour of this 1971 Datsun 240z. Like I said, this is going to be a full in-depth tour of the 240z. We're going to start it up, let it run, show you some of the unique features of the interior as well as exterior, as well as go over some of the performance data. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and start it up. Let it run. The exterior color is an aftermarket shade of silver with a black vinyl interior with faux wood accenting throughout. Five-speed manual transmission. Aftermarket gauges. Let's go ahead and give it another shot. Fires right off. Go ahead and cut her down. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. This is a Nissan engine, overhead cam, L28, 5-speed transmission. Actually came out of a 280ZX, so rather rare 240. Dual carburetors throughout the body. Wiring. Very nice. Let's go ahead and shut her down. Let's go ahead and check out the rest of the vehicle, shall we? Starting from the front of the vehicle, aftermarket yellow fog lamps, as well as aftermarket yet traditional brights with cornering lamps. Front carbon spoiler with Panasport racing wheels to top it all off. They are wrapped in a set of BfGoodrich tires. Come down to the rest of the vehicle. Got your Z emblem, as well as antenna, and rear cornering lamps. Finishing it all off with these nice taillights, carbon backplating, as well as carbon spoiler. Come around the other side, you have your gas tank, with flapper. Walk back up. as well as the JDM spec mirrors on this side as well. Now let's go ahead and check out the passenger side, shall we? Fog lights, as well as factory AC. Now let's go ahead and comb on the hazards, as well as the headlights. That should do it. Beautiful sculpted lines of the 240z. Let's go ahead and check out this trunk space. Aftermarket red vinyl covering the strut towers, as well as crossbeam. Beautiful Z carpets. Just a well-finished area and a pleasant place to be. Let's go ahead and shut her down. As well as turn off the hazards and the headlights. Park and brake. And let's go ahead and see how she sounds. Potent sound. Very nice. Manual steering rack. Honk the horn. Beautiful. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this full in-depth tour of the Datsun. Please check out some of my other videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.